Grapeshot's customer base today is heavily on the buy side. We do a lot of work around understanding the context of web pages, cataloging those and processing those at very, very high scale. And then that contextual analysis can be applied for brand safety as well as positive contextual targeting. We activate on the pre-bid side of the DSP. We utilize a crawler and an entire technical infrastructure to ensure incredibly fast pre-bid responses. And then within DSP environments, buyers can activate our segmentation or build their own segmentation that's custom to their brand and their campaign.
Tell us sort of the pieces of media that it crawls, that it identifies, and sort of the problem it solves.
Yeah, so a big part of my work is unlocking new areas and new media types for Grapeshot. Today, the open web in over 31 languages is something that we process and allow targeting for at scale. So that would be any URL that's crawlable and publicly accessible, as well as any server-to-server integrations we might have with that text. And then, on the roadmap and in beta currently is video context. So that's something I'm here at the IAB Video Symposium to discuss. We're also looking at solutions for in-app and other areas where crawlable content is not as easy to access, so we're looking for those scalable entry points to offer products in video and apps and other areas. The number one use case around video is brand safety for publishers today, right? So the immediate application for our video product is how do we create brand safe supply? How do we make that scalable for publishers that might have a lot of content or distributors of video content, ingesting all of their supply, and then I'm allowing them to either direct sell or programmatically sell against a brand safe environment. But also we work a lot with personalization as well. So getting your video contextualized means that you know more about it in a uniform way. And then you can also create recommendations engines and other things like that that are very, very powerful when you can process all of your video uniformly through our machine learning algorithms. What we're allowing buyers in the Tremor platform to do is to understand the context of any video page by what the surrounding words and text are on that page. So down the roadmap, we'll be looking at video context. But today it's all about what's that URL, what is it telling us about the context of that video? And for us, that's our first step towards video brand safety, in the open web. We see a lot of opportunity with the ODC family, right? Moat is a great partner for us. We already integrated into Moat for brand safety measurement. We're going to look at expanding that integration. We're also going to look at positive context, right, and how we can work with Moat in that regard. So just generally around analytics, but also activation with Moat. And then on the we also since we play so heavily on the buy side, Blue Kai Data Marketplace, Data Logics, these are all platforms that we have a lot of potential there. And with GDPR, very, very much looming at this point. We have a solution that is cookieless. It's probabilistic pre-bid context, so we can effectively create an audience that's 100% pre-bid that doesn't rely on collecting user data or PII and gives us a leg up on the GDPR battle at scale. So as cookie pools start contracting, we're expecting to create really excellent contextual models that give people a great opportunity for advertising targeting, and they don't have to worry so much about violating users' trust or the law or other things like that.